No, YouTube thing. If I see on my YouTube page, I'm going to pay me money.
For saying that, you're going to be the clip starting.
I want to see myself on
You're
your
going to be the
YouTube
clip
page.
starting the video.
You're on YouTube.
Yeah.
Outside my window.
And I forgot to wear my sunscreen today, so because I thought I was just gonna guess it's the fight and not be in the sun, but
It's been ringing.
PHCD, we are out here, so I'm excited for two reasons basically. The first is obviously my friend's wedding, which I told you is tomorrow, and the second reason is because I'm trying to explore Port Harcourt in these few days to see what Port Harcourt has to offer. So Port Harcourt is famous for their bolly, so I hope to try it. So what do you have to take me where to get good bolly from, okay?
Sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing.
I was just thinking
That's
I don't want to use India now. How are you? Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Hey, Esa. Hello.
How are you?
I'm so weak. Oh my goodness. My legs are shaking. Oh my goodness. That's the bride to be.
Because why are you now doing things differently? Is it because I'm the time?
Tired of rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing.
Welcome to day 3 in Nigeria, and that's day 2 in Port Harcourt, guys. I just woke up from sleep and oh, my face isn't swollen. It was a rough day for me yesterday. It was a busy and a rough day for me. When I got to the airport, when I got to Port Harcourt, the airport in Port Harcourt, obviously when I got to the airport, obviously I showed you guys that I was here, but then I couldn't really feel other parts of the day because I was trying to settle in, I was trying to find a hotel. I was hungry, I was tired, I was exhausted, I was flabbergasted, everything was happening all at once, but I'm all settled in now. So where's the camera? Could you come here, please? Hello, excuse me. This way, yeah. So I'm all settled in now. So I'm staying at Hotel Presidential. The first hotel I went to was, what's the name? I don't remember the first hotel I went to, but there was a lot of hassle at that hotel. So I'm currently staying at Hotel Presidential, and luckily enough, that's where the bride is also staying and all the bridesmaids. So it's actually a better option because then I can help out with the bride in the morning. This morning rather. The time now is a bit past 7. The service, the wedding itself, the church service is at 10 a.m. So I actually need to get going and stop ranting about. Let me show you guys the view. Come, it's not much, but so yeah, like I said, I actually need to go get ready because I'm running a bit. Hopefully, I'm not running too late. But I need to go there. I need to go get ready and then take you guys eventually through my day. Let's go. How you doing? What I? You can't smile, right? Hello, baby girl. I'm good. Why haven't you dressed nothing? You've had your bag, right?
kind of take advantage of them, and God will bless you. As Elder said, the Thanksgiving service tomorrow by 4th service. And we shall pray in the house of the Lord.
As you can see, the bride is right behind me, and she's legal now. So Wadi is now Dr. Mrs. Umelo. So all of you that know her, put some respect on her name because she's now legally married. The church wedding is actually done, and we're currently taking pictures, and then after that head over to the reception to, you know, get down. I'm gonna pan the camera so you guys can see. So all the ladies are here. The chief bridesmaid is right behind the camera. The bridesmaids and the guys. Let me just turn it around. So that's a chief bridesmaid, and the two ladies over there are the bridesmaids. Hey, get there. Hey, hey, hey. Then this is, that's the best man in black. And then the groomsmen are wearing the burgundy. That, and then that.
We have 9 minutes.
I kept on saying that I was told that Nigeria is so hot, and then it had been raining, like it was raining the day I landed, and it was raining like the next day. But now, trust me, I'm feeling the heat. I can really feel the heat. Like, I have makeup on, right? It feels like my face is melting off of my face. I don't know if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense, but that's what it feels like.
Congratulations. Couple, look at yourselves, please. Closer.
Oh, my.
These guys are the best. Okay, ladies alone.
Searching for something that ain't lost.
Can you give me an E? Can you give me an S? Can you give me a U? Can you give me an S? And what do we have? Okay. So, are we expecting 8? Are we expecting 5? What didn't really happen here? Another one board. Are we expecting 7? Okay, let's say 6. Okay, let's do 4. No, she wants to sit down, but at least in the down for this economy. Okay, let's do 3. Please put your hands together for them, please.
I'm so hungry, so I've gone throughout today without eating anything or drinking anything, and I am tired. I'm hungry. I have 1, 2 and I've started drinking this one, 3 bottles of water and food. So far in Port Harcourt, I've gotten food from basically just one place, and I would recommend. It's affordable, so if you're looking for like high-end cuisine, this is not your place. But if you're looking for affordable, tasty food, this is your plug. So the name is so sweet fast food. So this is the branding. I don't know if you can see this. So this is it, and this is the packaging it comes in. So it's like a regular, well, not regular, it's a plastic pack, black, and it's sealed, right? And I placed an order for, this is asun jollof rice with grilled chicken and plantain. Show you guys, can this come in a little bit? Yeah. Smells so good. So I'm gonna open my legs and then I am so hungry and I'm about to eat on camera. I don't think that's a good combination, but let's see. Yeah, it looks good. It smells good actually. This chair is so low. Why is it so low? I think I'll just move you guys over here a little bit. Yeah, this chair is so low. Okay, so just back up a bit, and then where's the as? I don't see the assault.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart.